everybody, I'm Marshall Chipley, and welcome back to the Chipley Company Update. We're enjoying this beautiful weather today. We're laying over 100 tons of asphalt on a beautiful driveway over here in Florence. This week's been a very busy week for us. We've been doing emergency sewer line repairs for the city of Florence. We've also been downtown at the parking deck doing a mainline water tap on Dargan Street to feed the new parking complex. Our utilities crew has been very busy in Florence. We've also been over in Sumter laying some sewer and water line. Chipley Company is a total site contractor. Don't let that scare you. We also do many driveways, concrete, asphalt, rock. If you have any questions about construction, please don't hesitate to call us at 843-662-2142, or you can keep up with us on Facebook at Chipley Company, or find us online at chipleycompany.com.